How to set desktop backup password on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down to the bottom, then tap on developer options. If you do not have developer options, you need to turn it on in the About phone. Next, in here, we go down and then tap on desktop backup password. In here, enter in your old password or your current password. If this is the first time you're setting up the desktop backup password, then the default password is a blank password. So you can go ahead and go down here and enter in a new password. Now, because I have already entered in the password previously, so here I will enter in my current password and then put in your new password. Then put in the same password again to confirm, and then tap on set backup password. And that's it. So that is how you can set up desktop backup password on the Galaxy S24 series. Now, the desktop backup password is the developer options on the Samsung Galaxy phone or any Android phone. Is a feature that allows you to encrypt your phone's backups made via Android Debug Bridge. That's the ADB tool. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.